Today, we're testing $2.50 Coca-Cola versus $3.00 Red Bull. Which drink gives more energy? Let's find out. On the left, Coca-Cola, a classic soda. On the right, Red Bull, the famous energy drink. Coca-Cola contains 26 g of sugar per 250 milliliters. Red Bull contains 27 g per 250 milliliters. But caffeine is a different story. Coca-Cola has 24 milligrams. Red Bull has 80 milligrams. More than 3 times higher. We'll see how each drink affects energy levels over the next 30 minutes. Both drinks consumed. Let's start the energy test. Within 10 minutes, Red Bull volunteers show slightly increased alertness. Coca-Cola volunteers remain normal after 15 minutes. Red Bull drinkers have faster reactions. Coca-Cola shows minimal effect. We tested focus and reaction. Red Bull clearly improves reaction time. Coca-Cola remains steady. Interestingly, Coca-Cola volunteers start feeling a small sugar crash. Red Bull maintains higher energy levels. Red Bull wins the energy test due to higher caffeine content and sustained alertness. Coca-Cola is sweet, but doesn't give much energy. So, if you want a quick energy boost, Red Bull is the clear winner. Coca-Cola is perfect for refreshment, not energy. Try it yourself and see how your body reacts. Comment below, which drink would you choose? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more experiments.